Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Here is our quest to get some more of the gourmet foods that you've been loving on our store. So you have already been enjoying the multiple different flavors of our ham and chocolate bars and our many flavors of gourmet popcorn that we have, as well as we've got grab bag candies and various other things. And so these are supposed to be gourmet cookies made to order. So we just got them in. Once we order them, that's when they create the batches. I'll be pulling out the different kinds that we have and see what we have. So let's get unboxing. All right, so we've got 2 boxes, and it says, if you look at this little sticker here, it says, Wholesome, Delicious Little Red Kitchen Bake Shop. So that's essentially where it's from. So we're going to open it up and see what we've got. This one takes a little bit longer to get, just simply because it is made to order. Oh my, that looks cool. Little Red Kitchen Bake Shop. Brown sugar pumpkin. And it's already prepackaged, pre-wrapped, pre-sealed, all of that. So brown sugar pumpkin.
Boy, it smells good.
Yes, it does. All right, so I'm gonna. Are these all brown sugar pumpkin? Let's see. The whole top layer looks like it's brown sugar pumpkin. So I'm just gonna. Ooh, there's different kinds right here. We have caramel apple oatmeal.
It's a huge cookie.
It is a huge cookie.
It's more of a biscuit. There's 2 in there.
Biscuit cookies. Don't put gravy on them.
2 in there. Yeah, 2 cookies.
Yeah. Caramel apple oatmeal.
All natural.
All natural. Okay, so I'm still trying to get the pumpkins out. Brown sugar pumpkin. I love the way that they have packaged these too. Okay, so underneath the caramel apple oatmeal, I'm just going to do this. Oh, there's a layer of bubble wrap. Hold on, there's so many cookies in this box. All right. So we got a whole nother layer. So when it does, let me show you on the batch, it does have, ingredients and everything on it. So if you want to look at that. Mm-hmm. So that's going to be nice.
Cool.
All right, and we do store it in a temperature-controlled building.
Yep.
So, yep. Double chocolate peppermint. Boy, that's perfect for now, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Double chocolate peppermint. Let's see.
Cookies are good anytime.
Cookies are good anytime. You are correct. All right, then we've got s'mores. Look at those cookies. They're just huge.
Yeah.
They're like bigger than my hand. Okay, let me see if there's a different kind under here. I think that's it for this. So double chocolate peppermint. So I'm just going to put one of each kind of on this front row. We'll look at all the kinds at the end. So far we've got 5 different cookies right here. So then let's go ahead and open the second box. I got those 5.
I think this is the same.
So we do have 4. That makes more sense. Yeah, sorry. That makes more sense. So we have caramel apple oatmeal, the brown sugar pumpkin, s'mores.
Look awesome.
Yeah, they do look awesome.
Great.
All right.
Don't have to refrigerate these.
Nope.
That's the nice thing.
Yep, and they're nice and sealed from the Little Red Kitchen. Little note from the Little Red Kitchen. Greetings. Thank you so much for your wholesale orders, what it says. And it says more on the back. We want to get to the cookies. All right, what other kinds do we have in here? We have lemon sugar. Those look amazing. We've got amaretti. This one is gluten-free. Now I do know that we have a few customers that have been asking for gluten-free, and so there you go. Says it right on the package.
I really don't know what amaretti is, but when it said it was gluten-free, I'm like, I know people don't want gluten-free.
Yeah, almonds, eggs. It's got all sorts of different things in it.
Looks awesome.
It does look awesome. So yeah, I know thank you for getting a gluten-free because I know that we have had some people asking for some. So we got lemon sugar. Let me see if I can just move these. Okay, I'm going to have to actually unload this top row. They package it amazing. Who wants to eat all these cookies now? All right, let's see. All the lemon sugar's out.
Rows and rows of cookies.
Yes. Oh, here we go. There's your kind, Paul. Triple chocolate.
Holy cow.
And then, of course, you can't have cookies without your signature chocolate chip. So we have 8 different flavors of cookies that are now available on hookedonpickin.com. Now, how much are we going to charge for the basically you get 2 giant cookies in each package. And so we'll go ahead and list them on hookedonpickin.com. So we're going to go straight over the computer. I'll show you exactly how we listed them, how you can choose them, and what the prices will be. Wait, there's more! I was checking the invoice, and we were missing 2 flavors, and sure enough, yes, stacked over just behind Paul was one more box. And so we're going to open this box and find out what flavors are in here. Then we'll go and find out exactly how much each one of the cookies are on hookedonpickin.com. All right, so this is supposed to have 2 more flavors in it. Ooh, these ones are boxed. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I can smell the peanut butter. Look at that. Peanut butter cookie.
Beautiful.
Aren't they lovely? Peanut butter cookies. You can smell it. There might be one less on the store of that one. I'm a peanut butter cookie fan. All right, this one says peanut butter as well. And what's on the bottom? Peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Yes, indeed.
Because we have a peanut butter and jelly candy bar.
Yeah, we do.
Yes, peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I wonder what kind of jelly it is.
I think they put the 2 cookies as like the bread.
Oh yeah, and it looks like, let's see.
That's awesome.
Strawberry jam. It's strawberry jam.
Yes, indeed.
That's amazing. So, peanut butter and jelly sandwich and peanut butter. So we actually have 10 flavors of cookies all across the front. So we're going to go ahead. Now we'll tell you how much they are. Hey everybody, we have got everything on hookedonpickin.com. So let me kind of share with you what's going on. So you can shop our various different categories. We got weekly specials, toys, jewelry and accessories, knives and gifts, handbags, clothing, kitchen and home decor, fun fives, snacks and candy is where you're going to find the cookies, and reseller helps. You can also scroll down here and find all of the categories there. So let's click on snacks and candy. And right there at the top is our Little Red Kitchen Cookies 2 packs. And so you just simply click on that. And you're going to find all the flavors. They're going to be $3.99 for these 2 giant cookies, completely sealed, homemade. And so we've got the various different flavors. So we got peanut butter cookie. We got double chocolate peppermint cookies, signature chocolate chip, caramel apple oatmeal cookies, brown sugar pumpkin, triple chocolate cookies, lemon sugar cookies, peanut butter and jelly sandwich, s'mores cookies. They got the little marshmallow in them. How cool is that? And then the Amaretti cookies, which are gluten-free. And if you're wondering what all is in them, I did put a description of each one of the cookies here. So you can see peanut butter, double chocolate. And for the Amaretti, it says our chewy Italian-inspired Amaretti cookies are made with 100% almond flour, making them naturally gluten and dairy-free. And so that way you can kind of get an idea of what's all in the cookie based on the description. Each cookie does also come with an ingredients list on the back of each one, but $3.99 for these fun cookies. Add them to your cart to put you over that $100 limit, maybe to get yourself the free shipping, or just have some good yumminess added to your Hooked on Pickin' shopping spree. So hopefully you guys loved it, and we will see you. Well, hopefully you have a great Christmas, and of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below, and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.